Before you watch another weight loss video, let me ask you something. Have you ever told yourself, I don't have time, I don't have support, my hormones are always the problem, my diabetics is too severe, my health can wait? Because every person you're about to see today believed one of these things. One woman struggled with infertility for 6 years. One man could barely walk for 10 minutes. Another woman was battling menopause, osteoporosis, and arthritis. Another was struggling with stress, anxiety, and hormonal imbalance. Different people, different problems. But what happened next completely changed their lives. And here's the surprising part. Their biggest transformation wasn't weight loss. Stay with me because one of these stories might feel exactly like your own. Over the last few years, I've had the privilege of working with people from completely different backgrounds. Auto drivers, IT professionals, housewives, women with PCOS, people struggling with diabetics, people who thought health transformation was impossible. And after watching so many people transform, I've noticed one common pattern. Today, I want to share that pattern with you. Not to impress you, but to show you what is actually possible. Most people think health transformation starts when you find the perfect diet or the perfect workout or the perfect motivation. But after seeing hundreds of transformation, I've realized something. Health transformation starts when people stop waiting. Let me start with Ilayarani, and honestly, this story still gives me goosebumps. For 6 years, she struggled with PCOS, thyroid issues, weight gain, and infertility. For 6 years, she was waiting, hoping, praying, wondering if motherhood would ever happen. Can you imagine carrying that emotional pain month after month? What most people would have expected in another fertility treatment, another medication, another temporary solution, but we focused on something different: her health, habits, stress, sleep, and emotional well-being. And something incredible happened. Within a short period, she conceived naturally. Today, she is living a reality she once thought was impossible. But here's what most people miss. The biggest transformation wasn't the pregnancy. The biggest transformation was trusting her body again and healing. Now, you might be thinking, that's great for her, but my problem is different. That's exactly what the next person thought too. Selvaraj is an auto driver, and when he came to me, life was not easy. He had diabetics, high blood pressure, severe shoulder pain, back pain issues. He was preparing for a surgery, and walking for even 5 to 10 minutes felt difficult for him. Forget exercise, forget gym. Walking itself was painful. Now, let me ask you a question. If you were in his situation, would you believe health transformation is possible? Most people would not. But Selvaraj decided to start. Not perfectly, just consistently. 5 minutes of walking, then turned into 10, 15, slowly and patiently. 3 months later, he had lost around 10 kgs. His diabetic markers improved dramatically. His energy improved, and before surgery, his health markers had improved significantly that he did not need any medicine for his diabetics. But do you know what impressed me most? Not the weight loss, not the numbers. A man who struggled to walk 10 minutes to comfortably walk for nearly an hour. That's not weight loss. That's getting your life back. Which story of you relating to more? Type 1 for Ilayarani, 2 for Selvaraj. I'm genuinely curious. Now, let me introduce you to Karthigai Devi. Many women are told it's your age, it's menopause, it's normal, nothing can be done. She had menopause, osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, low immunity. Pain was becoming a normal part of life, but she refused to accept that as her future. Instead of trying to do everything, she focused on one step at a time, and slowly everything started changing. She lost around 11 kgs. Her pain reduced significantly. She became stronger, more energetic, more confident, and she started feeling in control again. The weight loss was visible, but the confidence she gained was the real transformation. But the next story is actually the one most women watching this video will relate to. Priyadharshini's challenge wasn't just weight, it was stress, hormonal imbalance, PMS symptoms, anxiety, and feeling disconnected from herself. Have you ever felt that? You are functioning, you are managing life, but somewhere you have stopped feeling like yourself. That was her reality. And this is why her story is important. Because she did not try to change everything overnight. She focused on one habit, then another, then another. Over time, her stress reduced. Her PMS symptoms improved. Her hormones became more balanced. She felt emotionally stronger. And yes, she lost around 13 kgs too. But her biggest transformation wasn't physical. It was reconnecting with herself. Now, let's step back for a moment. Look at these stories. PCOS, infertility, diabetics, menopause, arthritis, hormonal imbalance, stress. Completely different problems, completely different people. But they all had one thing in common. They stopped waiting. They did not wait for more time, more money, more support, more motivation. They simply started. And that first step changed everything. The biggest lesson these people taught me is this. Health is not for perfect people. Health is for ordinary people, busy people, stressed people, people with responsibilities, people who think they cannot do it. Health is for everyone, and it is the basics of everything. So now I have a question for you. Which story felt most like your own? Ilayarani, Selvaraj, Karthigai Devi, or Priyadharshini? Tell me in the comments. And if even one of these stories gave you hope today, comment, my journey starts today. I repeat again, my journey starts today. I read every comment, and if you want more practical, sustainable health transformation content that focuses on real life and real people, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because your story might be the next transformation someone else needs to hear.